For the Alfredo, we're gonna need a little bit more. It's a little more complicated. Are you ready? Can you do this with me?
I'm not sure.
Look me in the eyes.
How complicated?
Promise me.
Let's just order takeout.
You're defeating the whole purpose.
Okay.
Well, today, guys, we're
Our episode is about can we cook authentic Italian meal. We don't have a lot of time. We have about 5 hours, so we need to come up with idea what we're gonna cook. Karisma doesn't cook that much.
Okay. Natalie like never cooks. Also,
whoa, easy.
also.
We are excited, and we don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm getting pretty hungry already.
Same.
When Karisma is hungry, she gets really mad. Exactly. See what happens?
I'm literally crying right now. Do you see this?
Hey,
Guys.
Okay, it's gonna be alright. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna cook authentic Italian.
So if tears fall into the food, I'm sorry.
Hey Google, play Italian music.
Most people, when they make homemade noodles, they have a noodle making machine, but we do not.
What do you mean? What do you call this?
Well, we are gonna use this. We are making homemade fettuccine noodles by hand. I don't even think we need like a roller. We could just.
What ingredients do we need for this?
Parmigiano. You trying to impress me right now? It's working. Beauty.
After 10 hours of shopping.
We'll see you on the other side. What's going on? What are you doing? Babe, you're snacking. We're about to eat. Okay, we'll save those two for later.
No.
For after. Just pour it on here.
That looks beautiful already.
it's just a clump of flour. So we're gonna make a little.
I wanted to do that.
We're gonna make a little well, like a little circle.
Can I break the eggs in there?
Yeah. So what you're gonna actually do first, if you want to break the eggs, break 3 eggs in here first. We're gonna need a fork to whisk it.
Ooh, whisk it.
Ooh. That's gonna be a master chef in no time. Oh, whisk it real good.
Whisk it, whisk it.
Whisk it,
Whisk it, whisk it. Can we whisk it? Yes, we can.
Yeah. Beauty. We're gonna need a tablespoon of olive oil.
I want to mush it. Meanwhile, we were.
That's okay. Oh, I don't know how to do it, babe.
Is it running away?
Yeah, it's running away. Catch it.
Can we mush it?
Yeah, you mush it. You just want to mix it all together, yeah.
Oh, we are.
Guide the liquid back to the pasta. Okay, we're good.
Okay, so they warned us. It's gonna get a little messy. Babe, I think I'm mushing your fork in there.
I just want this to be like one of those cute romantic movies, you know what I mean? Where like you do it together.
I know. Oh, you want to get your hands in?
Yeah, hey.
Oh my goodness, it's the shape of a heart. How did it?
Oh, look, it's love.
I've done something similar with my mom.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Okay, this is looking good.
It does look a little dry. Like, look. It's so cute how you have like a bunch of flour.
On my phone?
Guys,
You have
check out
flour
how
on your face.
thin- Oh really?
Yeah, right here.
Check out how thin this is.
Look at this, Master Chef up in here. I'm starting the Alfredo sauce right here. Vitaly's got his chicken. That's my mushroom and vegan sausage. And we're boiling the water for our pasta. Vitaly like mixed water and wine in here. So it looks like it's just kind of boiling its purple chicken. Look at this.
Guys, I think
The peanut butter in the background. Get that out of there. No, no. Take 2. Wow.
The sun, babe. When you were there, like the sun.
Ugh. This is so beautiful. This is mostly Vitali's doing. Very beautiful.
Teamwork. Ba-bum, bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. That's a wedding song.
Yeah.
Mine was
This
like
is marrying this. Okay.
Okay.
Beauty.
I really hope we have enough water.
Oh shoot, yeah, me too. Oh, watch out for that thing rolling! That almost rolled onto me. Crazy. Get those noodles. Woo! I'm coming in for the rescue.
Can't wait. I can't wait.
Mine's literally waiting over here. Look at that. Beauty.
My blackened chicken, what you need to know about it is that a blackened chicken, but it's also a caramelized chicken at the same time. I'm waiting for people from like France to hire me from Paris. Like, look at
Cooked
this.
one meal.
Look at this.
Babe, this is Italian. You want some of this? Look at this, guys. We killed it. Okay, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Boom!
Guys,
I'm so proud of us.
Do you think this is authentic Italian or what? Blackened chicken? I don't know where that came from into Italian restaurant, but our Italian restaurant that's called
Italian
Kizzy's Corner
Oh, Kizzy's Corner.
in Vital Town.
Vital Town.
So
Let us know if you want us to be cooks, guys, because we'll cook you some of this beautifulness.
we would.
Aw.
Hire us. Romantic Italian.
Ooh. Jesus, thank you so much for this food. Thank you for providing it for us and giving us incredible skills to make it. Thank you for Vitali's big strong arms and the fact that he made those beautiful noodles. I pray that our night would be awesome and we would enjoy it. Amen.
Amen.
All right, so we're gonna rate the food. We're gonna sit down and eat it. It's a little cold, which might affect our experience, so we have to take that into account.
We're starting with the noodles.
That's good.
Oh my goodness. It's either I'm hungry or this is actually delicioso.
It's pretty good.
Okay guys, so what you see here is not a Coke commercial. It's actually blackened chicken made by me. I just want you to see what it looks like inside. Oh my goodness. This is what I call blackened chicken, caramelized chicken.
He's speechless. This Parmesan, I kind of like how it has that kick. It's very Parmesan.
I know, I really like it too.
I like it.
We're just gonna eat in peace. Then we're gonna head out. We're gonna have to clean our kitchen.
It's a mess.
So tell us what you thought. Our episode was, can we cook authentic Italian meal? I think we did pretty great.
I think we succeeded.
I think it was like 7 out of 10 in terms of like everything authentic wise.
Yeah, we did pretty good. Honestly, like I feel like I prefer this more than like a good
Going
amount
out.
of the Italian food that we've had out. Like I like it
yes.
a lot. It feels very fresh. Try this at home. Try making some food yourself. Go the authentic route, you know?
You know, it's 100
do it.
days. It's 100 challenges. We were killing it. We're a team. Good team.
Guys, even if you feel like you can't do something, try it. You're probably gonna blow yourself away. Because I'm surprised he knows. Alright. We appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.